Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Bolton local and long-distance movers near me. One benefit of selecting 3 Movers as your local moving company in Belchertown, Massachusetts, is that you'll receive guidance and advice from experienced professionals throughout the moving process. When you choose us at 3 Movers to handle your local move to Belchertown, you'll have access to guidance from a professional moving company. If you're planning a local move to Bolton, Massachusetts, it's crucial to consider enlisting the assistance of a local moving company such as 3 Movers. Opting for professional movers for your local relocation is a wise choice, and 3 Movers ensures a smooth and prosperous transition for your move. We are one of the best moving companies in the United States and will handle your move with care and precision. With 3 Movers as your local moving company to Bolton, you'll pay for more than just moving services. The expertise and professionalism we bring to our customers' moves are 0 to none. We ensure that all the moves we carry out, whether long or short distance, succeed in the long run. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bolton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form